down to Wall Street, man.
Yeah. Oh wait, we gotta get our inner tubes. Go tube and get battery park.
Years.
Right? Oh, look at the water that's like smashing up against it. It's like fucking yellow.
I know, it's disgusting. Yeah.
But that's from the lights.
Yeah, no, there's some lights.
Oh yeah, yeah. But still, I was like, wait a minute, that's really gross. Why is some of the water?
I want to get an up-close view. I'm so pissed that they
Yeah, I mean,
tied
you're
it off.
Power plant leaks. It's going down. We're about to get some wrap over.
Here we go. This will actually be a good spot.
Yeah, it's raining out there. Maybe if I... No, you can't see it. Where are we headed to now?
All right.
You're getting barbecue? Dude, I'm not getting... I can't do that right now.
Yeah.
You're getting barbecue right now. Dino. Are you out of your mind?
I mean, well, I didn't bring any money, so I'd rather be outside than
You think it's
sitting
open?
inside. Dinosaur.
Dude, I don't think... I see chains on those
Yeah,
walls,
dude, they're
bro.
definitely not open. Yeah, but somebody wrote that.
There's a light on. Yeah.
Uncle Mark's always has like flashing on.
All right. Oh, it's raining.
I got my wallet with me. Never mind. I was wrong.